Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we are going to be changing my body jewelry again, and this one is a very special video and a video that I'm so excited to do today because for the first time ever I'm going to be trying out Lulu's body jewelry. Now Lulu's Body Piercing is a YouTube channel about an actual piercing shop, and they show a bunch of piercings on their channel. They talk a lot about different types of piercings on their channel. Pretty much anything you can imagine that you could talk about piercings, that's what they do over on their channel. And I was reached out to review their body jewelry, so that is what we are going to be doing today. I got a total of 7 things, I'm pretty sure, that I'm going to be showing and sharing with you in this video. So if you guys want to see me talk about the body jewelry, watch me put it in, then let's go ahead and get started. And I'm very excited about this because today is the day where we are finally, hopefully, fingers crossed, we can finally change these Helix piercings because these have been in for far too long and I cannot wait to change them. So let's go ahead and get started. So the very first piece of body jewelry is my septum ring, and a lot of you are probably looking at me going, where is it? It's right here. Here is my septum ring, and I was trying to put it in before the video started, and I went to put on the second ball. I dropped it, and I kid you not, you guys, for the last 45 minutes, I have been on my floor looking and searching everywhere for this ball. I used to have hardwood floors, and it made it a lot easier to find pieces of body jewelry on the floor because you could see them kind of stick up. But now that I have carpet, once you drop a piece of body jewelry on the ground and in the carpet, it is literally gone. Gone, gone, gone. So this is the first piece of jewelry that I got that I was super, super, super excited about. And I already lost the frickin' ball. I cannot find it, and unfortunately I don't have any other replacement balls for a black septum ring. I really wanted to get a black septum ring so I could wear my black nose hoops with it, but now it just looks like this because my idiot self lost the ball. So I am going to try to keep looking for it, but you guys, I don't even know. I'm so discouraged. I'm so upset that I lost it because this would have looked so cute. Like, if we could just imagine if I had both the balls on it, like, look how cute. So the next time I order from them, I will definitely have to get another one of these, and it is lost in the abyss of my carpet. But for those of you who are wondering, for those of you who are interested in getting your own like this is a 16 gauge, 3/8 and or 10 millimeter in diameter. I don't know where this bitch is. The next thing that I got is something that I used to use all the time on my piercings, and it's been so many years since I've tried it, and I finally got it again, and I'm super excited about it, and that is the Provon Antimicrobial Lotion Soap. For those of you who are very, very, very OG subscribers of mine, then you know how much I love this stuff. This is hands down one of the best things to clean your piercings with, to clean your jewelry with, to clean your hands with, to clean your kuka with. Whatever you need this for, this stuff is great. I used to use this all the time on my belly button piercing, on my eyebrow piercing, on my nose piercings, ear piercings. So I'm so glad that I was able to get this again. Oh, and I fell in love with it again. It makes your piercings feel so incredibly clean, and I love it. This stuff is excellent for piercings. You can also get this on their site. I believe this was $10.99, I want to say, for this little guy right here. This is the 4-ounce bottle for $10.99. They also have a few other aftercare products on their site that I really want to try as well. The next piece that I'm super excited to try on is one for my conch. It is in this little baggie right here. I will show you guys a close-up in just a second. In my conch right now, I just have the ghost face from Scream. I've had this since around the Halloween season, and as you can see, it's a little bit long, and I just wanted something a little bit more dainty and pretty. So on their site, they had this really beautiful opal looking jewelry, And I think this is going to look super flattering in the conch. Here's an up-close view of what this one looks like. As you can see, it's just a really beautiful opal color. This is a 16 gauge and this is a 5mm ball. I'm not sure exactly on the length of the actual barbell, but it is 16 gauge and I think it should fit in my conch just fine, but I just think the opal is going to look really, really pretty. All right, so first things first, I'm gonna pop on a couple of gloves. That way I can just get a better grip on the ball. So I'm just going to remove the conch jewelry that I currently have in. So now that we have that all cleaned up, I am just gonna move closer to my desk so I don't drop any more balls because I'm gonna be so pissed if I lose another one. I'm still not over losing that septum ring ball. I tell you what, I'm not over it. So I screwed off the little ball and I'm just going to slide this. Oh my God, that's gonna be so cool. So here's what the jewelry looks like in the conch. This is before we've screwed the ball on the back. We still have to screw that in. And it, just by the feels of it, it looks like I got a really good length. Like it's not too long, it's not too short. So I'm very excited about it. Now comes the challenging part, which is screwing on the damn ball. And they do have a ball holder on their website, but it is unfortunately sold out, which I'm super bummed about because I really wish I had that, because I guarantee if I did have that, I wouldn't have lost that septum ring because it would have been able to grip the ball really, really nicely for me. So we are taking a huge risk right here doing this without that. So, you know, wish me luck. I'm gonna try to screw this little baby on. We got it. We got it. Oh my gosh, I am so glad I got a good length because I was afraid that this was going to be a little too short, but I kept getting like barbells and hoops confused, but this is actually a really good size and that looks so pretty. Oh my freaking God, you guys. I love, 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 love opal. It is thebomb.com. This is definitely a win for me, as you guys can see. Look how gorgeous that looks, like when the light hits it. Ooh, bitch, look out, world. The next piece of jewelry that I also got for my conch just in case this one didn't work. And this one is really pretty as well. This is another 16 gauge barbell and it's kind of like a rose gold color with a little gem on the top here. So here's just an up close view of what this one looks like. As you can see, it has the really nice rose gold barbell with the really pretty gem in the middle. I feel like this would be really pretty in the conch as well. All right, and moving on, we have two of the same matching barbells, and these are 8mm long pushback barbells, and they look very, very similar to these ones that I have in my forward Helix and in my tragus. But I got these specifically for these Helix piercings right here. I've had these Helix piercings for about 9 months now, not even kidding, 9 months, and they have been such a pain in my arse to heal. So I basically just popped in some little hoops to get rid of the barbells because the barbells kept catching on things and getting caught in my hair because they were super, super long. But I finally decided that I'm going to put hoops in them. I'm going to baby them again. And finally, they are doing really, really well to the point where I think they are ready to be changed. So the ones that I got for it are just really simple because I really like the simple, pretty look when it comes to ear piercing jewelry. So here's just an up close view of what these ones look like. As you can see, they are really, really pretty gems. And another interesting thing about these ones is these are actually pushback style, which I have never tried before. So basically what pushback style is it doesn't screw or anything. It literally just separates like this. And when you get it in your ear, you just close it like that. I know that was really kind of hard to see, but hopefully I explained that okay. So I got 8mm this time, and I think that will be perfectly long enough. I've been really trying to concentrate and focus on the size of body jewelry and what I need for it. So, all right guys, without further ado, here we go. Okay, so there's one. Oh, yes. I got it. Do you guys see it? Okay. So I think for the back, I'm going to use my bare hand just so I can get more of a feel. So then all we do is we just take this little pokey bit and we poke it right behind. Just going to give it a little pinch to make sure that it is secure. You guys, we did it! Oh my god, look it! Here is the first one changed. Oh my gosh, that was super easy. And I'm not even kidding you guys, I got the perfect, and I mean perfect length. It fits beautifully, it's super comfortable. One thing that is different, now don't come for me, but I did downgrade from a 16 and I went to a 20. A 20 gauge is something that you would put in like a low piercing, but I could not for the life of me find anything that I personally liked that matched my aesthetic to go here that was a 16 gauge. So I did decide to do 20 gauge. Typically larger gauges for Helix piercings are better, but for me personally, I'm going to give the 20 gauge a go, and I really like this pushback style. It's very unique. I don't know if you need to like twist it to kind of lock it into place. I just kind of pushed it together and gave it a nice squeeze. So I will keep you guys posted on how that goes. But now we are going to, I just need my little pliers here. I'm just going to open up the other one so I can get it out. Like that. And we are going to do the exact same thing. We're just going to separate. We're going to... Oh my god, this is so pretty. The only thing I need to do is just reach around. Whew, holy shit. So as you can see, my ear is very red now because that took forever trying to match up the little holes. Whew, holy shit. But oh my god, look how freaking pretty that is. See, you guys, we're getting closer and closer to the goals that I want for my ears. Look at that. Oh my god, that is so pretty. Please don't mind how red my ear is. Nothing about it was painful. It was just really difficult to try to thread the jewelry in without being able to see. Whew, it was a doozy for sure. The new conch jewelry, the new Helix jewelry. Oh, I'm obsessed. Gorgeous. And then the last piece of jewelry I got to try for this haul that I don't even know if I'm going to be able to get it in, but it's for my rook. As you guys know, or maybe you don't know, the last time I tried to change my rook piercing, I changed it to this black barbell, okay? And if you remember, I had one hell of a time trying to get it in, trying to screw the ball on, and I was, browsing on the website, and I was like, oh, this would be really cute in my rook. But little did I forget, it's a bitch to change the rook yourself. And unfortunately, I wasn't able to get a ball holder, so this is going to be so much fun. But I really do want to give it a try because this jewelry is honestly so gorgeous, and it's going to go with everything else that I have going on in my ears, which I'm very excited about. And this is let me look it up for you. This is a 16 gauge curved barbell with gems, and this is 10 millimeters in length. So as you can see, here is what the curved barbell looks like. And then on the end here, on both ends actually, on both ends you can see we have the cute little clear gems right on the end. I just think this is going to look super flattering and super cute in my rook. So I really want to change it. Can I do it? Still trying to look down to see if I can just magically spot this missing ball for my septum because I really want to wear it, and I keep looking down like it's just going to magically pop up and be like, hello, I'm here. We're going to give this a try. So what I'm going to do actually is I'm going to take out my forward helix piercings up here. That way I just have more room to work with when I'm trying to change the rook. So I'm just going to pop these babies out right here. Alright, so I grabbed another fresh glove here, and I am going to pop this baby out. God, I don't even remember how the hell I did this. Alright, so I got the ball off. So here's what the rook looks like without the ball. I'm like really nervous to take this out because I'm like, am I going to be able to get it back in? Alright, and here goes nothing. Alright guys, it's official. The old rook jewelry is out. Just going to take a Q-tip and make sure there's no gunky up in there. Get it all nice and cleaned out. You should always do this every once in a while with your piercings, just to make sure that they're all nice and clean. Okay, here we go. Alright, so I got it in, as you can see. Now the difficult part is trying to screw the ball on. This is nothing, you guys. It's all when it comes time to screw the other ball on is when shit gets fucked. Wish me luck. Holy fuck, I'm nervous as shit. Alright guys, so after literally 45 minutes of tugging around in there, I finally got the rook jewelry in. As you can see, it matches a lot better with the rest of the jewelry that I have going on in this ear. It is a little bit crowded because I do have quite a bit of ear piercings and I have very small ears. It was such a pain in the ass to change this rook piercing. I don't ever want to do it again. So this is the jewelry that I'm going to be rocking for quite some time. And I did pop in my forward helix piercings again as well. So here's what everything looks like in this ear. I am so happy with it. And the one thing I'm most excited about is that I was finally able to change these helix piercings for you guys. I can't even tell you, this has been such a long time coming, and I'm so glad that we were able to get everything in. As far as everything goes for Lulu's body jewelry, 2 thumbs up for me. Super happy with everything. This is like my favorite ear now. I think it looks so good. All of the sparkly, all of the silver, and the little opal moment we have going on. Oh my gosh, I'm obsessed. So now everything looks nice and uniform and looks like, oh, it's perfect. All right, so there you have it, guys. That was my first little haul slash try on from Lulu's Body Jewelry. I really hope that you guys enjoyed. If you are interested in checking out their site, I will have all of the links down in the description box, and you can also go on there and see my own little page where you can see all of my favorite pieces from their site and my picture and everything on there. So I will include that link down in the description box. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Have you guys ever tried Lulu's Body Jewelry before? If so, let me know down in the comments. I can't wait to do future hauls and try-ons for you guys. I'm very, very excited. Now, I am going to get back down on the floor and see if I can try to find this septum ball because I am so determined to try to find that right now. You guys have no idea. I hope you enjoyed this little try-on session. If you did, make sure to go down and give this video a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to check out Lulu's Body Jewelry, their website, their YouTube channel, everything like that. Also, if you are new to my channel and this is the first video of mine that you are seeing, make sure you go down and hit that red subscribe button. I do upload every 3 to 4 days on this channel, so you don't want to miss out on any future videos. But as always, I will see you guys very soon in my next video. I love you guys. Bye!